Hello guys, I'm Manoj Mishra. So I'm back with another video. So today my topic is on VBA Excel macro. So I'm going to tell you how to consolidate multiple Excel workbooks into a single Excel workbook. All right. So as you can see, I have three files over here: details 1, 2, and 3. All right. So all these three files are having different kind of data, but having a similar kind of columns. All right. So these three files are available in this path. C drive users 9981 desktop multiple files. All right. So what we will do, we will consolidate these three Excel sheets data in one Excel workbook. All right. So before writing a macro, let's create an Excel file, and I'm assigning this file name as consolidated.xlsx. All right. So let's begin. Let's open a blank workbook, Excel workbook. All right. Now Alt F11, write a macro. So let's create a new module. So I am creating a new module in the personal.xlsx. It's a default file available in the Excel workbook. All right, so let's give it a name merge. So I'll tell you about what is the benefit of writing macro in the personal.xlsx. So you don't need to save this file with an extension of xlsm, right? So this if you write the macro in personal.xlsx, you can run this macro over all the available Excel worksheets, workbooks in your drives. All right, all the drives, C drive, D drive, and anywhere the data Excel files are available in the hard drive. All right, so let's begin. Sub March. I'm giving the macro name as March. All right, so you need to write your macro in between sub merge and end sub. All right, so let's first start with defining variable. So we need to define two variable, file path and file name. File name. All right, so we will define these variables as strings. All right, so now say the and define the file path. So file path is this: C drive user ID. Need to enter this path in between the quotes, double quotes. All right, file name is equal to directory file path and star.xlsx. This will help you in identifying the all files available. So we are going to use do while loop here. Do while file name is not equal to blank. All right. So this will allow us to perform the action until it reaches to the last Excel file. All right, it is 3.xlsx. All right. So now we need to open the first Excel workbook. So for that, type Workbooks.Open, then file path and file name. All right. So first file has opened now. So you need to just select all the data available in the first file. So for that, just go to select cell A1. Sorry, no. Now extend your selection. Range bracket open, selection dot add Excel down, bracket close, select. Now extend your selection to the last column, Excel to right, select. Now data has been selected. Now I need to copy the data, right? And now I don't need to open this workbook. So let's close it. Active workbook.close. Now what you need to do here? Now you need to open a destination file where you want to copy this data, paste this data. All right. So let's open the destination workbook, Workbooks.Open. Now type the path here if you remember, or just copy the file path by right clicking on the Excel file. Alright, so I remember the file path, so I'm typing this manually. C drive users 91981 desktop. So my file was on desktop. File name is consolidated.xlsx. So file has been opened. So we just need to identify the last what we need to do here, we need to identify the non-blank cell from the top. Alright, so first we need to go to the last row. So we are now going to the last row. We are selecting the 10 lakh row, row number 10 lakh. Right, now we will go up, selection dot and XLR. So what it will do, it will take us to the last non-blank row. Now what we need to do here, we need to go down to the next row, which is a blank row. Right, so we have reached to the last non-blank row from the top. So now just copy the data which is available in the clipboard. Alright, so now we need to perform the same operation on all the 3 available workbooks in the multiple file folder. So we need to define here file name is equal to directory. So it will search all the files available in the directory, and we just need to close the loop here. Alright, now close this macro. Just go on view macro, select the merge module macro, merge.merge. Right, so we have if you remember, we have given our module name as merge, and our macro name was also merge. So merge.merge, we will run this macro and just see the result here. Great. So as you can see, all 3 files data are available in the pasted in this consolidated.xlsx. Right, so this is how this macro works. Consolidate all the data given in the multiple workbooks to the destination file. Right, so thank you so much, guys. Keep watching my video. Till then, bye bye. So data is this directory. Copy